Madaaw.
You can drive like that?
Yeah.
Be safe, man. Me too?
Yeah.
Oh, man. Alright, this nice lady, she gave us the best price around. We asked all around, and she's the only one that didn't raise the prices like everyone else. So, thank you very much. We really appreciate it. Alright, you're going to help feed a lot of people, so you guys take care. Thank you.
Okay.
Alright, we got a bag of rice back there. Perfect timing, Francis.
Perfect timing.
Ako ka naman mag-dubli na. Okay, pulo di kabot.
Klaro kayo? Ang ito ba? Daghan jud ma.
Kanang bugas na kinalaw babu.
Alright, we got 7 of these bags all together. We're transferring into these smaller bags so we can hand them out to the families easier. And we have 5 kilos to each bag. And we're gonna give 1 bag to each family. So we're not quite halfway finished. We still have 1, 2, 3, 4 bags left. So this was 3 full bags. And for these, we're gonna pass out to families around here. I think there's a few more this way, and then go up. All right, here's my hat. Thank you. And then we're gonna walk later up there, the further away houses. But for now, we're gonna get to the houses that are close nearby.
Yeah.
Yeah. Raymond, I like your hat, man. Whose hat do you like better? Man, you got a strap on yours. That's cool. When the wind blows, my hat will just fly away.
You can.
Oh, thanks. All right, ready? Let's go. Which way are we going? This way? All right, here we go. Be careful.
Hoy, di mo karga. Di mo kakarga. Yan dara.
All right, I think we're gonna get hurt.
Karga ba?
So this is our very peaceful neighborhood. This family over here is always playing music, which is a good thing. They're always playing really good music. They have a really good taste of music around here. So this is our first neighbor that we're going to talk to, and her father is actually the one you'll probably see in other videos. We've done many things with him. He earns his money by collecting coconut wine. And right now it's kind of hard with the coronavirus, with like everything. He doesn't sell as much because he's not allowed to go out in different barangays. It's hard to make money from it. So we're gonna give him some rice. When your dad does that, like how much does he make a month usually?
I don't exactly know a month. I just know I 2 gallon every day. 2 gallons.
2 gallons every day?
Yeah.
And he sells 2 gallons every day?
Yeah.
Okay.
Not every day, sometimes.
So sometimes,
Yeah.
well, at the most he sells 2 gallons, right?
Yeah,
So,
yeah.
usually he sells less or?
Less.
Okay.
Yeah.
And you have, how many people are you living in your home?
6.
6 altogether?
Yeah,
Okay.
altogether.
And your father is the only ones here, right?
Yeah.
Your mother is out of the picture, right? So it's just your father. Your father's supporting everyone, right? And he does that by selling the coconut wine. And things are slower right now because you can't, your father can't venture off into different barangays to sell the coconut wine. So he's only relying on Raymond to buy it all and drink it. he stumbles home drunk every night. No, I'm just kidding. Raymond doesn't drink. But anyway, but so these 2 are for you?
Yeah, it's
Okay.
yeah. Thank you.
No problem at all. And you're right next door, so if you need more, just let us know.
10 kilo.
Yeah, this is 10 kilos. This is 10 kilos, 5 and 5. Yeah.
10 ka na.
So
2 weeks.
2 weeks.
2 to 3 weeks.
All right, perfect, good.
Thank you.
So,
Thank you.
all right, yeah, no problem. And these are awesome neighbors. I was here the other day. The garden is right over there. So she was teaching me how to, like, you know, pick from the garden. And
Tinangpong.
yeah, so I learned something from her a lot too. So I'm just giving back that you give me. So I appreciate you helping me out too. So
Thank you. I
yeah.
appreciate it.
No problem.
Thank you.
Yeah.
Thank you.
All right, see you later.
Thank you.
All right, no problem. And this is for the donations from my subscribers, so it's from them. Yeah. So thank you guys. It's because of you guys.
Thank you.
Good thing we have Francesca. Man, I guess it's only fair. The youngest always has to do the heavy lifting. It's okay to record, Raymond? Is it okay to record? It's okay? Okay, ask first. All right, not everyone wants to be on film, so Raymond's gonna ask if we can actually record here. But most families around here do make around, like, you know, maybe $75 a month to $200 a month. So it's really difficult to get by. You know, especially if you have lots of kids, you have lots of mouths to feed. So, you know, 10 kilos or 5 kilos. We're trying to do. Yes. Ah, thank you. Thank you very much. So we're kind of basing the bags on how big the family is. If it's a bigger family like the one we just had, we'll give them 2 bags, which is 10 kilos. And then other families will give, you know, less. We'll give them what they need pretty much. And hopefully we can get to as many families as we can. There's about 10 houses nearby here. And then if you walk farther down that way, the other way, there's even more houses. But it's kind of exciting. Maybe we get to go to some other places that I haven't been to yet. So we get to meet some more people today. And if they want to be on film, I'm not going to film anybody that doesn't want to be on film. I just want to show you guys, the one that donates, where your money is going. So you guys are much, much appreciated. Hey! All right, Raymond said it's all clear. Should I walk around?
Yeah.
Hi, how are you?
How are you?
Good. Oh, so you're selling all that?
Yeah.
Oh, cool.
Yeah.
All right, so we're making a transaction right here. She's buying something. What are you buying? Which one are you buying?
Kamunggay.
Kamunggay?
Moringa.
Which one's that?
Horse radish tree.
Oh, nice. That's really good for you, right? Yeah. Wow, she's-
Amata.
Yan lang yan naman.
Yo, Francisca, come in.
Ama ka salami dito. Padala lang lang yung boss.
Wow.
Are pa niyo eh. Loroy na ko.
Balance na lang din.
All right, so she lives over there, so we'll go to her house next, I think. Hi, how are you? What's your name?
Tony.
Tony? All right.
Nanay Tony.
Nice to meet you, Tony.
My full name is Saturnina.
Saturina. That's a pretty name. Did you have a garden as well?
Yeah.
Nice. Cool. The cool thing is that everyone has a garden out here pretty much. And good thing with rice, it lasts for a really long time. So this is like just in case you really need it, and then you'll be set. So
I can say thank you.
yeah, no problem, no problem. I appreciate you playing the music all the time. Is that coming from you? Yeah, I like the music. You have really good taste in music.
I like also.
Yeah, good. I heard you're a Blink-182 fan? All right, Blink-182, yeah. Can you hear that song in the background? It's my favorite song. Can we hear you sing, what's that one song? I Miss You. Do you know the lyrics? Do you know the lyrics?
Miss you.
Don't waste your time on me. You're all bratty. But you play it all the time.
So once again, thank you.
You're welcome. You're very welcome. You have a good day, okay? All right. Bye-bye.
Thanks.
You're welcome.
God bless.
God bless you too.
Asa kayo?